Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of my YouTube growth tutorial series. If you've ever uploaded a video and wondered, why aren't people watching? Stick around. Today we're diving into something game-changing, subtitles, and why they matter more than you think. A lot of people scroll YouTube on silent mode, whether they're on a tram, at work, or just don't want to blast your voice in public. And let's not forget those who are hearing impaired or speak another language. Subtitles make sure more people can actually enjoy your content. And guess what? YouTube gives you free tools to do this. Let's jump in. Step 1. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on Content and select your video. On the left panel, find Subtitles, or if you're in a rush, use the quick button on the right. Boom! You're now in the subtitle editor. Step 2. Here's where the magic happens. YouTube automatically generates captions, but let's be honest, sometimes they're not exactly what we want. Take a look. Hi everyone. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to use the Agent Originals YouTube content generator. Yeah, not so great, so let's fix them. Click on the text box next to each timestamp. Adjust words for accuracy. Shorten long sentences for better readability. And be sure to click Save Draft not to lose your work. Step 3. Timing it right. Ever notice subtitles that show up too early or too late? Use the waveform tool. That waveform at the bottom, it's your secret weapon. Bigger spikes equals louder words. Match your text to the spikes, and you'll never have mistimed captions again. Step 4. Translating your video for global reach. What if you want people in Hungary, Japan, or Brazil to understand your content? You can translate your captions with just a few clicks. Click Add Language. Let's choose Hungarian for this example. Click Subtitles, then Auto Translate. Booyah! YouTube translates your captions automatically. Oh, and don't forget to translate your video's title and description. This makes sure your video shows up in search results for different languages. Another bonus tip. If you're bilingual or plan on consistently uploading videos in multiple languages, you can tell YouTube from the start by setting up your default languages. Go to YouTube Studio, Customization, Languages, and select the languages you want to associate with your content. This doesn't auto-translate your entire channel, but it does let YouTube know that your content is meant for audiences in multiple languages. The more languages you add subtitles for, the more global your content becomes. Now your videos will be more accessible, searchable, and international friendly. If you'd like one-on-one help to really take advantage of this feature, you can book a consultation with The Real Me. Yep, I exist outside of AI. Click the link in the description area to set up a session. And that's it. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.